everyone, welcome back. A little bit earlier I made some chicken and eggplant stuffed shells, and since I had a couple of eggplants I wanted to get rid of them. I wanted to use them up. So now I'm going to be making some eggplant parmesan. So stick around and I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, what I have done is I took my eggplant and I sliced them up into nice small slices, and I salted them, and then I put them in the refrigerator for a couple hours, and now I'm ready to start my Parmesan dish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat my eggplant, dip it in egg here, and toss it with a little breadcrumbs, both sides. Again, these are panko breadcrumbs. Let me get this done, I'll bring you back. Okay, I have all my eggplant slices coated with eggs and breadcrumbs, and I'm going to cook them in the oven for about 5 minutes. I'm going to turn them, cook them for another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to start dishing it into my pan to make eggplant parmesan. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to layer our pan right here with some tomato and basil sauce. Spread it out just like so. Just like so. Let me get this first layer going on. I'm going to take our eggplant. We're going to lay it down. Get some good chunks in there. All right. I'm going to top with a little bit of parsley here and there. Just a little bit of parsley. There we go. There we go. Layer a little bit of onions. Remember I told you I set the other onions aside for just a little bit. This is how I'm going to do it. Now we have some Parmesan cheese. We're going to sprinkle over the top of that. All right. And I'm going to add a little bit of mozzarella cheese. Just a little bit. There we go. Alrighty, we're going to layer it up. We're going to do this all over again. Okay. There's those smaller slices in there. cheese. A little bit of parsley in there. Just a little bit of parsley. Some onion. Just a little bit. Some more mozzarella. There we go. I think this might be the last layer I can get on there. Oops. There we go. That one didn't want to come off the paper there. There we are. And let's just, you know what, I'm just going to tuck these in there. Get it all in there. There we are. This is the last piece. Right there. Alrighty. Toss in the rest of those onions on top just a little bit here and there. Some flavor. Okay. The rest of my parsley. Toss that around. Some Parmesan cheese. Lots of it. Top it with some mozzarella. Let's go ahead and top this with a sauce. What do you think? A little bit more? I think so. Alrighty. We're going to bake this in the oven for about 35 minutes at 375. Look at that. Eggplant Parmesan. It smells so amazing in here right now. It smells heavenly. Oh my goodness, if you could just be in here right now, you'd want to have the whole dish. Okay guys, that is it for me today. I promise I'm not cooking anymore. Until the next time, be safe, be well, and be kind. We will see you later. Bye-bye. It just looks so good.